Attachments indeed take up a lot of space in your email account. Do you want to know how to remove attachments from MSG quickly? Download BitRecover MSG Attachment Remover to permanently delete attachments from MSG file without any trouble. To learn more about this professional and user-friendly solution, watch the video. Firstly, read all the instruction mentioned in the software interface. Once understood the information, click on the Next button. The software comes with dual mode Select File and Folder option. The Select File help you to upload single or multiple MSG file from a saved location. The Select Folder button helps you upload a complete folder of MSG files to remove attachments. Here, we are selecting the Select Folder option to browse MSG folder from the saved location. Choose the folder and click on Select Folder button. Then, click on Next button. Now, mark the required file and folder as checkbox to remove the attachments. Then, click on Next and continue the process. The software automatically set the saving option as a MSG file. Choose a destination location of the output files. Users can also check the file naming options to organize the MSG emails professionally, such as date, month, years, and more. Browse the options and choose the required one. Now, go to Filter options in the menu. The software allows you to make use of advanced settings for filter saving. Check this option. User can select the filter as per the requirements from date range, from, to, subject, exclude folder, delete attachments having more size and more. Now, come in the saving option window. Now, hit the Convert tab to start the process. The software gives a real-time conversion report in the interface. Once the process completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. Trial version: remove first 20 emails attachment per folder. Get your MSG data with removed attachments. Thanks for watching.